We weren't sent here to wage perpetual political campaigns against each other, because the American people are wary of perpetual partisanship and brinksmanship.
Let me be clear. Africa is not the crude caricature of a continent at perpetual war. And let's reject the cynicism that says certain countries are condemned to perpetual poverty. For the past half-century has witnessed more gains in human development than at any time in history. It was a rebuke to the worldview of Al-Qaeda, which smothers the rights of individuals and would thereby subject them to perpetual poverty and violence.
See heartbreaking images, fields turned to dust, babies with distended bellies, and we say it's hopeless, and some places are condemned to perpetual poverty and hunger.
So when I hear some on the other side suggesting that to resolve the possibility of a perpetual or a quarterly debt ceiling crisis, that there is a price to pay. Well, the price is paid by the American people and your businesses and the economic environment worldwide. And
we, the people, still believe that enduring security and lasting peace do not require perpetual war. And I drew inspiration from one of our founding fathers, James Madison, who wrote, "No nation could preserve its freedom in the midst of continual warfare." James Madison is right, which is why even as we remain vigilant about the threat of terrorism, we must move beyond the mindset of perpetual war. Instead of perpetual aid, development has to fuel investment and economic growth so that assistance is no longer necessary. Or some of the more successful countries in Africa can start being donors instead of recipients of assistance. Part of ending a war responsibly is moving off a perpetual wartime footing. These new circumstances have also meant shifting away from a perpetual war footing. Beyond bringing our troops home, we have...
I'd like to believe that the Republicans recognize that was not a good strategy. And we're probably better off with a system in which that threat is not there on a perpetual basis.
I believe America's interests are served by endless war or by remaining on a perpetual war.